Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello, welcome, thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be my Oden's Eye mystery box unboxings, and I did get the smaller box as well as the larger box. They both come in about the same size box, but this one definitely feels heavier, so I'm pretty sure that this is going to be the more expensive box. Ever since I've seen Butte Bean talk about Oden's Eye, I've been really interested because she hypes them up so much. So when I saw that they had mystery boxes, I knew I needed to try it out this way because it was going to be a much better value, and that way I could at least hopefully try a variety of items from the brand. So yeah, I'm really excited because these were sitting in New York for a while, and then they were sitting in Georgia for a while, and then it just took forever to get here. Like, I was seeing people get their mystery boxes and I was just like, mine is still stuck. I'm definitely excited. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Oden's Eye mystery boxes, then just keep on watching. So the small box was 25 euros for 40 euros. So for the US conversion, it's about $30 and change for $48 and change for the value. And then for the larger box, it was 55 euros for 100 euros, which is $66 and change for about $121. All right, so we are gonna start off with this lighter box here and bubble wrap. All right, so the first thing in here is this double-ended brush, and it just says Oden's Eye on it. So we have like this pencil-y crease brush, but then we have like a angled crease brush shape. So that's like a really good size for my eye right there. But you guys know I love getting brushes because I can use them for my regular makeup, but then I can also use them in my body paints. Then we have this Alva Matte Lip Stain, and this is in the shade M206 Perfect Plum. Like, look at the packaging on this. This is absolutely gorgeous. So this is what the packaging of the lip stain itself looks like. Smells kind of like candy. This is the lip color right there. I am filming this before work, so I am gonna put this on, and if it becomes too much, then I'll just change my lip color before I leave. But so this is what the lip color looks like. I don't know how I feel about it on myself personally. It feels really comfortable though. All right, so it is completely dried down now. I did have some lip balm on while I was getting ready before filming. Passes the kiss test. So the last item in the small mystery box is this eyeshadow palette, and it is this Soulmane eyeshadow palette. I'm probably like butchering the names and everything. Alright, so look at the packaging. This is the outer packaging and the same design, but this kind of feels like felt, but this packaging is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce the shade names, but I'm not sure if it coordinates with what's behind it or if it's still read left to right, like the palette's left to right. But these are the colors here. These are so pretty. This is such a perfect like everyday palette for me. I cannot wait to play with this palette. I'll definitely be doing a video where I test out Oden's Eye products. I don't want to do all that right now because I am on a time crunch trying to film before I have to leave to go to work. So I'm pretty much just going to unbox everything, and then I'll do a video of testing, swatching Oden's Eye products. Alright, so now on to the bigger mystery box here. First we have this right here, and it's just a little handheld mirror. So you've got the regular side and the zoom side. And I don't know what the magnification level is on the one that is magnified, but again, such cute packaging. Then we have another Alva lip stain, and this is in Water Lily. Again, the packaging is absolutely gorgeous. So the first one was a matte lip stain. This is a cream lip stain. This is this right here. This is the color there. So the colors do look really similar. Same kind of candy-ish scent, so obviously, with the glossiness of this, it's not going to pass the kiss test, so I'm not even going to try. So then we have this Alva Fruit Blusher in Ripe Papaya. So this is what it looks like. And this is the color right here. Very pretty. This is what it looks like on the back of my hand. That is so pretty. Then we have the Freya palette. So for this one, the shade names are on the back, and then when you open it up, the shade names are in the palette as well. So if the other one corresponds the same way this one does, it's read as if you're looking at the palette, so left to right and then left to right. It's not this shade is the one behind it. Look how beautiful this packaging is. Like I'm obsessed with all their artwork. So this is just your warm neutral type palette. This shade is definitely calling my name. It looks like purple but green. I definitely can't wait. And it's got that same like felt like texture as well. Then I have the Alva eyeshadow palette. Again, same felt texture. The packaging, it looks like this. And then this is the color story here. These shades are a lot smaller. This one is the same size as the first palette in the first box, so you can see the size difference here. So the net weight of this one is 26 grams and this one is 20 grams. So even though this has more shades, they are smaller, and in total there's still more product in this palette here. But nonetheless, I don't really mind. It's not like I'm going through all my eyeshadows because I have a ton of eyeshadows and stuff, so I don't mind these being smaller pans, and they're just very soft and whimsical, so I like the variety of shades that are in here. Very, very pretty. Cannot wait to play around with this one either. And then the last item in here I'm super, super excited about as well. Like, I'm excited about all of these, but like I was really hoping for one of the highlighter palettes. I kind of wish I got one of the bigger palettes, the medium palettes, and then one of the small palettes with like the split pan, as having variety that way, but I'm not complaining. It's a mystery box and I can test out their formula this way, and if I find that I want one of their smaller palettes, I can definitely just get one of those myself. This is the Salman highlighter palette, and the packaging is really similar to the Salman eyeshadow palette. It's just, it's flipped where we have the sun and the moon, and then here we have the moon and the sun, if you're looking at the palette like straightforward without flipping them to make them correspond. They are so pretty. This is what this palette looks like here. You've got like a yellowy gold, a white iridescent-y looking shade, a peachy pink shade, and then like a greenish gold shade. I don't know, like these are so pretty. I cannot wait to play around with these. All right guys, so that was it for my Oden's Eye mystery box unboxing. If you guys have tried Oden's Eye, let me know what your favorite product from them is, if it's something I didn't get in this box. If you guys have those 5-pan, 6-pan palettes, let me know how you like those, because I'm really, really curious on those, especially the Erd palette, I think is what it is. It's the grungy green palette that just came out. Looks so beautiful. Definitely excited to be trying out Oden's Eye, and stay tuned for that video. If there's a specific palette you want me to use in that video from these, let me know, because obviously I'm still going to swatch the other ones and stuff, but I'm probably only going to use one palette on my eyes. So let me know if there's a specific one of these that you want to see me actually play with and create a look using. If you guys got these mystery boxes, let me know what your favorite item in your box was. I want to say mine is either going to be the highlighter palette or that 16-pan palette, because I love the yellow in there and just the other variety of light whimsical shades. So I don't know, it could change when I actually try it out, but color-wise, I think that one is my favorite of the shadows so far. Yeah, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button down below and turn on the little bell notification so you guys know every single time that I upload. And yeah, I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.